Tell them welcome, boys. Yeah, y'all see how big he is? Big boy now. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. We have like less than 2 months. We got like a month and like probably 2 weeks, if that, before clutch kickers. And I'm now getting into the full swing. I'm getting all the drift cars ready. First car up was Haitian. It came back from Caveman Customs across the street for getting a firewall and a couple other little things. Its cage is already painted. The tunnel's already made. I already started on it, so I already made the cage for the gas tank, and I'm working on the mount for the radiator right now. So just get y'all guys up to speed with what we got going on. Alright, so the gas tank already has its cage and it's in there. Shout out to Caveman for the sick work. He gave him an M. So now we all got the same thing. Let me show y'all the tunnel for the dog box is already done and ready to go. Anyways, back to what I got going on back here. I already started making a cage for the radiator. The cage is already done. I just gotta mount it now and start welding it in and brace it, support it, yada yada yada. But that's the boring stuff. And more updates, I gotta show y'all something else. Haitian been going ham on the golf cart for clutch kickers. It already got painted. Body man done blessed us up. Looked us over with that nice monster red. Ain't no bags in there, but you know, it's Haitian, so he gonna be a little extra. But it's looking good. It's getting there. Got like some air shocks and stuff on there. We're making progress. This is definitely very important for clutch kicker prep. So, and the next in line is gonna be George, which George is over here in the paint booth. His car already got like his cage got painted, door jambs got painted, inner of the doors got painted, and body man's out here still doing his thing late at night. Look at that gloss. Boy gonna be ready. He works late shift just like me and flies to get all this stuff done. So yeah, I'll update you after I get his radiator mounted. I'll have to get a fan shroud made tomorrow, but hopefully by the end of the week this thing is starting to look like a drift car. It's done, it's ready. So we're gonna move on to bigger and better things. We got his radiator mounted, that mounted. We're waiting on some fittings and stuff and the winners. So we're gonna move on to better things. All the parts came for the sedan. Well, not all the parts. We got exhaust, we got arms to the rear, and we got coilovers. So we're gonna do that real quick. And this fool's gonna help me. This one. Why are you here and it's still sunlight? You don't work day shift, bro.
Well,
oh,
that's the case.
Daylight savings. Daylight savings, huh? Hey man, just let y'all know the AC cold in this thing. Look at them water dripping. So we got some ISR products.
You ordered FDF already?
No, I didn't get FDF yet. You gonna buy for me?
Yeah, but I got you.
Okay. We got some good old BC BAR series. Yeah. We ain't gonna talk about what color rotation got or what Nick got. But you know, I got them BCs. I ain't gonna put out there. So that's the plan. The G's getting slammed today. And what? And I ain't doing what? I don't know what she's talking about. And then I got my wheels back. So these are gonna go on this car now. They're just moving car to car, you know, it's a process. So VFKS, we're gonna go on the sedan. They're gonna get blast pipes on there with a muffler. Hopefully they ain't too riced out. And we should be good. This thing already had a muffler delete on it, you know, the specialty right there. But we're gonna get rid of all that right now. Alright, so not like y'all ain't never seen somebody open BCs before, but look at these beautiful true type coilovers. And you know what they mean by true type. I got rid of the bucket in the back, so we got the ISR deleter on here that we're gonna use to delete the buckets in the back and put these nice little true type coilovers on there. Usually if I buy BCs for a car, you know, I'm not gonna sell it, you know. That means I'm keeping it. If it was anything else, I would have bought something cheaper, you know, but that means I'm keeping this. Nick, don't comment, bro. I'm trying to record, bro. Haitian going in, bro. He ain't did nothing all day. Look at him. Yeah. But whatever, man. Yeah. So, look at this thing. Let's get these on. These fools, they hating, bro. Why they hating, bro? Stop hating, bro. Yeah. So, ISR, glass pipes. I'm hoping it bolts up. It's supposed to be for the older year sedan. Right before this, because this is kind of the mixed year. They only make this for 2 years. This is the HR sedan. So I don't know. Hopefully it fits. If not, I ain't blaming ISR. I told them send it anyways. I'll modify it. I got a welder. I just didn't want to make a whole exhaust, so I bought that. So we're gonna get all that on right now.
Bro, are we done, bro?
Yeah, pull it out.
Bro. God damn, bro.
This is not how we work on people's cars. It's how Haitian works on mine. Weight reduction. We got all that going bye-bye. They weren't even blown, bro. Nah, they weren't blown. Still got cats. We gotta do something about those. But I might keep those till the turbo. We got some kitty cats growing in under Joey's car. Huh?
Cats won't be raspy like Haitian shit.
I know. Alright, so making some progress. My boy got the coilovers on. Working on them arms. He got one arm on. Fugging out. I had the exhaust backwards. I ain't gonna say I did it, but somebody did it. So it fits a little bit better now. And all I gotta do is chop this hanger off right here and re-weld it like down here, and I think that should be good. So also I think I gotta trim the body a little bit, but I do what I gotta do to do some weight reduction, you know. Trim the bumper, trim some metal off. We should be good. That's a lot better. Oh yeah, and we got a nice Z1Y pipe. I'm gonna hear about this, but yeah. So that's how the exhaust is gonna look from the back. I'll let you guys hear it when we finish the exhaust. I got these two selling out that I'm taking too long to do exhaust. But it's been 2 hours and all he got done was 2 coilovers.
Bro, cause you were in my face, stopping me, bro. You had the car all the way up. I couldn't even get nothing done, bro.
Excuses.
You work on your own.
We still got 2 more to do.
You work on customer cars, bro. All the customer cars you do it fast, but in your car you want to take forever, bro. I don't like that, bro.
Wait, you was talking about my beard patchy, bro? Hold on. That look kind of patchy.
Now
bro.
let's look at your beard. Turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. Bro, I got mutton chops, bro. Mutton chops, bro. Hey, what the fuck? That's how I know you from New York. Nigga got mutton chops. Hey, that nigga been...
Give my camera back, bro. Bro, finish installing the damn coilovers, bro. He's not done, bro. Damn. I'll finish it up. I'll finish it up, bro. Because you can't. Only guy I know, look, bro, my bro got brand new 450 just sitting over there. Anybody want to buy it? It's for sale. Alright, so coilovers on. Kinda. We had a little mishaps with the coilovers over there. Somebody had to chop and weld and stuff on their brand new coilovers. Not gonna explain who that is, but you already know. But I made them work. The wheels on the car, which brings us to our next problem, which is the VFKFs are obviously too big. I know this was gonna happen. I'm thinking really crazy pull. I don't know if I want to stretch any more tires, but I think I could tuck that under there. Now it's not a line, but I think we can make that fit. Even if we got to weld something on there. Let's bring it down and see what it look like. All right, down she goes. Oh my God, that's the sway bar. The sway bar. Okay, take 2. Sway bar is actually bolted up this time. Oop. Stuck on the lift. Yeah. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm not going to take it off yet though, because I need to adjust the toe some. Huh? Yeah. I'm going to adjust the toe some. Then we do some fender rolling. Fuck. Okay, so I took it off the lift, and obviously the front needs to go a little bit lower in the back. It looks like it's low enough, but it definitely gonna need some roll action here. Oh boy. So I'll see what I can do tonight to try to make it fit. Obviously, you know, driving on that right there. I mean, I know it's gonna look good, but damn. But yeah, I gotta let y'all hear the exhaust too. We'll get to that. We're still trying to figure out how we can get it to drive. Plus, it's raining outside. I was hoping I could go do some donuts or something, sling some corners or something, but it don't look like it's happening. I can't. Not like that. In other news, George's Motor's coming back out to 32 because that's now my car again, and he has his 30 in there, so it's coming out for his comp car. But anyways, oh, we have a problem. Ross! Let's go see what Ross can do for me. I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna see what he can do if he's still over here. Yeah, it's the police. Open the door.
Ross, we got a problem, baby.
Yeah, I got a problem. I'm gonna need your help. Come see this. You think we could stretch this into next week? You guys know Ross, you know. He's the new body guy saving me, you know. Damn, we got a problem.
It's not a problem, man. It's a small thing.
I should just go ahead and roll it right now?
Yeah. We should back on the lift. Let's go.
Yeah. That's like, dang. Do we need to mark anything?
Yeah.
No, we don't offer fender rolling services here at Monster. Only all cars. Okay? Oh. Yeah, I was gonna say we need to mark it, right?
Yeah,
see how far. Oh man, let me get a marker. Oh, y'all heard him. It's going down. It's a body Ross over here, bodying up the G so we can fit the big wheels. Don't mind the little piece falling. That's normal. This is why we don't roll fenders for people, because they can't take the intensity what it takes to roll a fender. So he already did this side before I popped the camera out. Look at that. Boom. Might be a little too much, but we'll figure it out once we get it done. So yeah, on this side working his magic over here. So I should be able to, you know, drive it on the big Johnnies. I still gotta take out front wheels and lower it and stuff, but be here on the late night grind getting me right. Alright, so we finished rolling it for now. We're gonna get some more on it tomorrow. It's slower than expected, but I like it. I'm gonna learn because it's gonna drag everywhere. Plies came out to hang with us, but look at that. I can't wait till y'all see this in the daytime tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all this in the daytime. I'm gonna park it. He's gonna work on it some more. But man, I'm looking like one of them stands for it. But I'm gonna take it to the alignment rack. I'm gonna line it, get zero camber in the rear, you know, cause drift car. And then he's gonna finish rolling it, flaring it. He probably end up doing a little bit of body work on it with a blend of paint or something. I don't know. I also popped in a 20 mil space on the front, so I can get that flip in there until we get FDF. And then this bumper gotta go. Can't be driving around no base model Journey bumper, you know.
Base model.
Look at that profile though, Nick, man.
Them calves, bro.
What you think, bro?
I need me one of them.
Some wheels?
Nah, I need a sedan.
Yeah, bro, you should have got a sedan. I don't know who made you buy a coupe, bro.
You made me buy a coupe.
Me didn't. I didn't do nothing. Hey, look at Plies, guys. Look, he's like a whole new dog. A whole new dog, right, Plies?
Plies like, yo, who lap can I sit on, bro?
Look, he even talking to y'all now. So that's it for tonight. We out. I'll show y'all this thing tomorrow, and then I'm gonna drive it, drag around town. I wish I could see the exhaust, man. Like, the exhaust. Oh, yeah. That is that bad. Oh yeah. Let me get y'all a startup clip real quick. All right.
Yeah, busting shots at the back already. So good.
how it sounds. But unfortunately, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut out the muffler because it's dragging. I ain't even moved yet, and I know. Damn, I wish they could see how low it is. And
Get it flashlight. Get it flashlight. Get it
we gotta
Get it flashlight.
get the flashlight. Ross gonna get a flashlight to show you how low it is. Maybe I should raise it a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Maybe a little bit. It just looked too good.
I mean, you got light out. Go ahead,
I got it. Oh my God. Hey, the front subframe dragging up there, it looked like. Oh man. I'm gonna just cut it off. Right, Bryce? You gonna cut it off?
Well,
Damn.
he gonna cut it off.
I'm gonna cut it off. The tires need some air though. I might, after it's settled, I might have to raise it.
Might?
Yeah.